Taking a cold shower can be quite a challenge, especially when you're starting your day or winding down after work. When your water heater stops doing its job, it's more than just an inconvenience. It disrupts your routine and takes away your comfort. With 39 years of combined experience providing top-tier service at competitive rates, Paul the Plumber delivers professional water heater installation, helping you choose the right system that fits your home and your budget. From traditional tank models to energy-efficient tankless options, we handle every detail with precision and care to ensure your home always has the steady flow of hot water you deserve. Because when it comes to comfort, reliability, and peace of mind, Paul the Plumber delivers nothing less than warmth you can count on. Don't settle for another cold shower. Call Paul the Plumber today at 832-521-3252 or visit paultheplumberllc.com.